While I'm eating dinner, some of you might be looking at Netflix or watching it. The streaming giant reported earnings last night. Shocking news, they will no longer be sending out DVDs as streaming has fully taken over. Remember Netflix and DVDs? Oh my gosh, that sends me back. Even though they announced an increase of 1.75 million subscribers, shares dropped off a cliff in the aftermarket by around 5%. Mark, we were watching this live yesterday at the close. Are you buying any trades in Netflix?
I want to see what it does on the open. I think there's going to be some opportunities here. It's down about 2.5%, not like a giant move. Heading into their earnings announcement with the stock trading 333, the straddle was pricing at $28. So this is a huge underperformance in straddle pricing, and maybe a trend that we're going to see throughout earnings season as some of these earnings straddles are pretty juiced. So there may be some opportunity here. I would not be surprised if this thing saw a reversal as we open. It basically stopped at the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to be very interested to see how this thing trades over the next couple of days.
Yeah, I mean, it was down a lot more than this right when they were reporting earnings. So we'll take this drop better than yesterday. Kenny, what moves are you seeing in Netflix? Little VWAP reversion?
I don't know, but I need to know what stock Garrett's business card is on. Remember. That's a deep cut, man. I mean, I love it. I love when you give the deep cut. It's American Psycho.
Still very confused.
If you haven't seen it,
Endorser's not a restaurant.
It's from
Yes,
American
it is.
Psycho.
It's really hard to get a reservation at Dorsey of Us.
You think
And
so?
if you
Because it
haven't
doesn't
heard-
exist, Baldwin.
Yes, the Huey Lewis in the News, the sports album is fantastic.
All I know.
All right,
I'm
let's
going
move
to
on.
Fort Charles, baby. Woo! Give me that prime rib. Okay, Kenny.
Yes.
Yeah. I even hit up your boy 8-Ball. Like, 8-Ball, you have any connections? I know you guys have a reservation every Wednesday. Kenny, really, are you seeing any moves in Netflix? Come on.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Kenny,
Oh, yeah.
give it to me. Give me the line that I want on Netflix.
Oh my God, I don't know. I'm not good under pressure, but I am looking at what you guys want to see. Take a look. I mean, it's trying to go down, and just like this market, remember, it's not a bull market or a bear market right now. It's the market's absolutely bizarro right now. That's why what we do is kind of keeping us sane, if you could use that word. But look, if it breaks down, we have to short it. But I'm with Mark. I think there's going to be a sneaky attempt to get the stock going to the upside. But I'd love to see both. Because if it breaks down under the pre-market lows, chances are it's going to go searching for that noise that it had yesterday at the in the aftermarket. So you could get yourself a 5-point move down, and right before you know it, you could have a 15-point move up. That's what it did yesterday. This is a 35-point sell-off that was met with a 45-point move to the upside. So it dropped 30, went up 45. There will be blood today. And again, I'm looking forward to trading it. And this is this kind of stock where I'll just trade 100-share lots in 30-share increments, make myself 250, 250, and I'll probably figure out how to make myself $500 or $600 just trading small lots of Netflix. And again, when we start seeing the options open up, we'll address that around 9:45 because, again, if you haven't noticed, trading options at the open is virtually impossible. The spreads are big. The prices are too expensive. And a lot of times I hear that comment, I just got the calls, the stock's going up, but the calls are going down. How's that possible? You got ripped off because the market makers keep the price inflated. So if you pay $8 for an option, next thing you know, you got overcharged, the stock starts to move up, and your option's at $750 now. What's going on? You feel like you're being manipulated. You kind of were. So wait till 9:45. Wait till the prices come down. But at the beginning of the day, especially pre-market, you can't trade options. So we're used to trading stock. But most of the time, I'm looking at stock. But I teach my players how to translate everything we do into options trades.